In AI prompting, you can think of handlebars as a stage. The stage itself stays in the same place, but there's a different band, a different dance every night. Handlebars in AI prompting is the use of two curly braces with text on the inside that creates a space for the AI to fill in each time it generates. Handlebars are a tool that we use almost exclusively in the output section of our prompts. The simplest application is to have the AI replace the handlebar space with a word or phrase, maybe from some information you added in an earlier part of your prompt, each time it generates. For example, maybe your prompt has contextual information that includes a client's name, like this: client name, Davis Jones. Now, in the output section of your prompt, you might have a little line like this: proposal for client name in handlebars. The AI would then generate proposal for Davis Jones as its output. You can also use handlebars to give AI specific instructions about what to generate in that space. Here are two examples. First, a simpler one, then a more complex one. Let's start with the simple one. Generate a funny title for a business proposal that includes client name here. Make it less than 60 characters. And here's an actual result. Davis Jones. Pie charts and puns, a slice of success. Now here's a more complicated example. Client name is struggling to lower their stress levels before bed. Use your training data to generate 2 exercises that client name can do each night before bed to build stress reduction skills. Structure these 2 exercises like this: hashtag exercise name, details about the exercise in under 100 characters, encouraging words for client name. In this part of the prompt, we're using definitions, markdown, and handlebars within handlebars to customize the format and style of our output. And here are 2 actual results. Mindful breathing. Inhale deeply for 4 seconds, hold for 7, exhale for 8. Repeat. Calmness awaits, Davis. Here you can see that Markdown created this title, and also that the nested handlebars created Calmness awaits, Davis. Those are the encouraging words for client name. Here's the second output. Gratitude reflection. List 3 things from your day. Positivity breeds peace, Davis. Keep it up. So in summary, use 2 curly braces, handlebars, with text on the inside to create a space for AI to fill in something for you each time it generates. We typically use handlebars in the output portion of our prompts as a way of guiding AI as it generates dynamic output. The simplest use of handlebars is to have AI dynamically add a word, phrase, or number to its output, like name or score. Handlebars can give AI detailed instructions that include markdown, definitions, and even nested handlebars.